Hi, here's a little mind trick which may or may not work for you. So here's the source photograph, here's a piece of paper, this is a pencil. And how do I get this here without making myself tired, without much effort? Because of course we are all little bit lazy sometimes. So this is a bit of a trick. Don't know if it works for you, but just imagine that this face is here on the paper. Try to visualize where the eyes are, where the nose should be, where the mouth is. Just try to look at this piece of paper, going back and forth, and try to imagine where everything should be. And just take your time a little bit. So where is this eye here? Where is this eye positioned? Where is the nose? Where is the mouth? And at some point you just act as if it's printed here in your mind. You just trace it almost. I mean, here's the eye, here's the other eye, here's the nose, here's the mouth. Here's the eyebrows. Here's the underside of the mouth, of the lips. And yeah, here is the chin. And I'm not saying that this is 100% correct, but I don't know to what extent my experience in drawing helps, so I cannot really test this. But and I'm not saying that this is the only way to get the proportions right, because when you have this you can look for mistakes. I mean, the mouth maybe should be a little bit more to the left, but whatever, as you can see, without much effort, it's on the paper positioned. So try this for yourself. And I think that this is not a way in itself to make a drawing, but having this method, this simple mind trick before you start to draw, I think it can help perhaps to get it on the paper. This is just a very quick demonstration, but I thought it was a fun thing to do, and just try it. Maybe it helps. It can enhance your method of making drawings and make things easier, perhaps. Let me know in the comments if it works for you or not. Maybe it's just nonsense and I'm just fooling myself and my experience helps. But maybe it is a genuine method, so try it for yourself.